Hi, it's Ryan from Optrua. In the previous video, I went through the difference between a lead and an opportunity through the qualification process. In this video, I want to focus more on kind of the end of the process, which is winning the opportunity and quote and converting them into an order. Just like in the previous video, it was important to note what role am I trying to design the system for, and be really clear about that. So notice that I have sales is taking care of the opportunity and the quotes. The same thing happens with order management. Is once the salesperson wins the deal, they should be good to move on to the closing the next deal. Besides, I mean, that's really what you want sales to do, right? Go win deals. Where this can break down is when there's a complex process involving products or services that need additional work, additional design, maybe some engineering, credit approval, all of these extra things. So even though this is a simple 4-box diagram, it really covers a lot of ground with a well-designed CRM system. It's the foundation, and if you can get this right, you'll be on the way to having a great system that provides lots of value over many years. Hopefully this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.